Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce you about the last principle of solid is the dependency inversion principle. Usually, with the pattern of software development, the low-level model relies heavily on high-level model. When we're implementing the application, we start from a low level and we come to the high level. So this is a cause, or this is my cause the high level depend too much on the low level, meaning when we change the low level implementation, we need to change the high level. So that is why we have a dependency inversion principle here to help us. With this principle state is high-level model should not depend on the low-level model. Both should depend on the abstraction. So you can see this principle was applied very commonly in some frameworks. Example, the AutoY in Spring Boot framework. We will come to the concrete example and I will explain more and deeply about this principle. Okay, so here I have we will create an example about the keyboard. Example, I have Razer keyboard here. In this class, I have two methods. The first one is named initial method. Here, just for demonstrating, so I will print it out a message here named initialize the connection, for example. And then we have other method named connect. In here we will system out a message name the connection is connected. Okay, and then we will create a class name keyboard controller. In here we will call the method from the Razer keyboard, so we have to create a variable here named Razer keyboard, and in here we can create a constructor keyboard controller, and we can get Razer keyboard equal new Razer keyboard, and we can call the method from this one, for example, Razer keyboard dot initial and Razer keyboard connect, and we can call this out for the testing example keyboard controller equal new keyboard controller. Okay, and run. We can see here initialize the connection, and the connection is connected. The application is working fine, but how about I want to change to use another type of keyboard, example King keyboard. And in here I have to if error here we use case for check there's the regular keyboard or the king keyboard. Is it? You can see this keyboard controller depend very much in regular keyboard, and we can see here we use new keyword here, meaning this is tightly coupled dependency. Tightly coupled dependency. Okay, so we can come with the solution is we can create and we can use the abstraction. Okay, we create an abstract or interface here to communicate between this keyboard controller and the implementation class keyboard here. So you create an interface here named keyboard. And in this interface we have two methods named initial. I think initialize is better. Initialize, and another one is connect. Okay, and in the razor keyboard we will implement the keyboard interface here, and here we will override keyword. This one initialize. This one is also to use override keyword. Initialize doing the same for the king keyboard. Okay, to clear the meanings of the message, I will input here the initialize conditions for king keyboard. So, and condition for king keyboard, connection for king keyboard is connected, and doing the same for razor here. Connection for razor keyboard. Okay, and connections are what is measured here? Conditions of okay, condition of razor keyboard is connected. Initialize, and we have two methods here. Here the name is not correct, so we can copy to make sure we have to have a painful typo here. Okay, and then in this we have to implement also the keyboard. And in the this keyboard control, we just create the keyboard connection here. Keyboard, and in here we name it keyboard. Okay. In here we will initialize this keyboard and this keyboard equal to this one, and we can create the method public void initialize. Here, this one we can call this keyboard. Initialized. Okay, copy this name. Initialize. This is A here. Okay, we have public void connect. Here we have this keyboard connect, and in this main method we can call how about this one. We need to public keyword here, and this one also public and public. Okay, and then in this one we can create keyboard controller here. The keyboard controller, new keyboard controller, and we create the keyboard we want. Example, I choose Razer keyboard here, and here we can call the method keyboard controller. Okay, and this initial one, and run the application. Here you can see the application is working fine, and here if we want to use another keyboard, we just change here. We can call King keyboard here, and here initial for King keyboard, and keyboard is connected.